Vivo's latest Y series phone called Vivo Y500s is now official in China with 5G support. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y500s sports a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y500s features a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.1 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,200 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.64 by 78.43 by 8.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y500s has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan, and the 8GB plus 512GB storage option is also priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Galaxy Silver, Obsidian Black, and Phoenix Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y500s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.